I've heard people say that winning or losing a case in court really comes down to which of the two attorneys are more likable. And I disagree with that. I think what really matters is which of the two attorneys the jury finds more credible. And one of the ways that you can build credibility with a jury is by acknowledging the weaknesses in your case up front. If there's a problem with our case, I want to be the one to point that out to the jury. For example, in the past, I've represented clients who've had prior felony convictions. And even though it has nothing to do with their current court case, a good lawyer has to get in front of that early. I ask my client to leave the courtroom and I say to the jury, I say, hey, one thing you're gonna learn is that my client is a convicted felon. Let's talk about that. How do you feel about that? Do you think we can acknowledge his past, yet also give him a fair trial and allow him to stand as an equal in the eyes of the law? I have to do that because if I don't call the attention to it, the other side is going to call it out. And then it would look like that I was trying to hide something, and juries don't like that. I've had clients who've been physicians who were injured in collision, and before the trial starts, I send them out of the room and I talk to the jury. I say, hey, my client is a doctor. The defense attorney is going to suggest that he is a medical professional and that he's using his medical training to game the system and try to land a big payday. And what do you think about that? Do you think that's a fair thing to suggest? Or are doctors just as vulnerable as everyone else when it comes to being hurt in a car crash? You never want to sneak something past a jury or try to hand wave it away, because the opposing attorney is going to see you do that and they're going to point it out to the jury. And once the jury catches you trying to hide something from them, your credibility is shot and there's no coming back.